Hi everyone, it's Lorena from Tefal, and today we're going to be making a really super quick but super delicious chickpea and pumpkin curry in my favorite appliance, the Cook4me Plus. This is actually a multi-cooker, so you can steam in it, you can make your rice in it, you can make beautiful delicious meals in it, but because it uses pressure cook technology, it's really super quick. So this is your screen. You can cook if you have an ingredient, you can cook via a recipe, and it comes with 150 recipes inside, which is amazing. Takes you step by step for 2, 4, or 6 people. You can't get it wrong. You can do your DIY function, which is your manual function, which is what we're going to do today. So I'm going to select manual, and I'm going to go into classic cooking and into browning. So the progress indicator is going to tell us when that bowl is really nice and hot, and then we're going to start browning the onions. The same steps you would on a stovetop, but this is just incredibly quick. Right, so really simple ingredients. We've got some olive oil or vegetable oil, an onion sliced, got some yellow curry paste, but you can use any curry paste you've got in your pantry or fridge. Got about half a pumpkin chopped thickly. We've got some beans. Now these are chickpeas that I made earlier in the Cook4me. Really healthy to pressure cook your chickpeas, beans, legumes. Just soak them overnight as you usually would, and then you pop them in the Cook4me, covered in water for about half an hour, and you keep all the nutrition, and they're just beautiful. And then that's just some frozen peas. So these two, because they've already been cooked, I'm just going to add at the end of the cooking when it's all done. All right, so that is ready to go. So that is nice and hot. This is a huge 6-liter capacity bowl, and it's a ceramic bowl, which is important when you're frying because, listen to that sizzle. It has our non-stick coating, and it's going to get those onions nice and brown. And then we're going to add the curry paste. That, you can see the beautiful browning on that. So now we're just going to add our curry paste and give that a bit of a whirl. And then we're going to add all our pumpkin and then our green beans. Give that all a good stir. And now I'm going to add 1 can of coconut cream. Give that all a big stir. So now we're going to go into pressure cooking. And this is actual pressure cooking time. So that's 10 minutes of pressure cooking. So if you've got a stovetop recipe that's 45 minutes, in here it'll only be 15 minutes. The general rule is a third of the time. So now we're going to go all the way down to, what did I say? 3 minutes. Press OK, immediate start. And I love that sound because that says we're gonna have a really quick meal in the Cook4me Plus. All right, so that is done and it's looking beautiful. So I'm just gonna add my chickpeas that have already been pressure cooked and our frozen peas. And you just give that a bit of a stir, and that's it. So the whole meal took about 5 minutes to make. And you've got all of those deep, beautiful flavors of a curry that's been simmering for hours. Creamy coconut and chickpea curry. Just gonna garnish that with a little bit of coriander and some chili, and serve with some roti bread. Chickpea and coconut curry in 3 minutes.